Let's make a beautiful riser plate with a napkin and a clear plate from the Dollar Tree. First, you're going to clean it really well and get all the oils off. And you can use glass cleaner or alcohol. Then you're going to take a beautiful napkin of your choice. I love this one. It's very springy, and you're going to separate the plies on it. I'm going to attach it eventually on that little candlestick you just saw. But first I'm going to cover everything on the bottom of the plate with a nice coating of the Mod Podge. Nice and smooth and even. Next, I gingerly lay down the napkin face side down and try and smooth out all the wrinkles on the bottom of the plate first, moving down to the sides. And you might have a wrinkle or two, but it kind of lays down nice and flat. And once you get it on there, you want to just keep patting it and tapping it and making sure that it's all adhered well. And how pretty it looks from the other side. Then I'm going to dry it with my heat tool just to make sure that all the Mod Podge is good and set. And I absolutely love the pattern of this napkin. So the next thing you want to do is take your little sanding tool and just sand off the edges of the napkin all the way around the perimeter of the plate. That makes for a nice smooth edge. Now the next step is to seal it with a nice even coat of the Mod Podge. Next, dry it really well. Then to make it extra durable, put on one more coat of the Mod Podge. Now this is just for display purposes of some Easter goodies, and you don't put it in the dishwasher, you hand wash it, but it is food grade safe because the top is simply a glass plate. So round two, we dry this up and we are ready to apply the candlestick holder. Now the candlestick holder did not have the little square piece on the top. I applied that earlier with a little E6000 and painted it white. And now I'm just liberally applying the E6000 to the top of the square. I just felt like it needed more surface to hold tight to the bottom of the plate. And where I don't have E6000, I put a little hot glue for a quick stick and apply a little pressure. And I made sure that the E6000 and the hot glue stayed clear of each other because they don't work well together. And voila, I have this beautiful tiered tray to display my desserts on for Easter. Now, imagine the ways that you could do this for all the different seasons. You could do it for fall and you can do it for Christmas. And I hope this inspired you and I hope you're going to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll give me a follow here at Bellalina Boutique on Facebook and also on YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, and Etsy.